Hello, my name is Chris Schnelfer, and today I'm going to show you how to use CyVerse to clip an image to plot boundaries. For this app, you'll need a georeferenced image and the geographic boundaries of the plots in GeoJSON format. If the plot geometries contain plot names or plot IDs, these are used as the name of the output folders containing the clips. Otherwise, a name is generated for each plot. After logging into the CyVerse Discovery environment, click the App tile to access the apps that are available to us. Search for Clip Images to Plots to access the app. You may want to add the app to your favorites to make it easier to access in the future. Select the vertical ellipses, then Add to Favorites to add the app. To start an analysis, click the title of the app to open the window, allowing us to enter parameters. Make a note of the Select Output folder. This is where the output from our analysis will be placed. Next, click the Select Files bar. Browse and select the image that you want to have clipped. Next, browse and select the plot.json file. Finally, click Launch Analysis to launch the analysis. To see your analyses, click the Analysis tile. You may need to click Refresh to see your analysis. You will receive notifications as your analysis status changes. You can find the notifications on the upper right side of the page. Once the analysis status changes to completed, your analysis is done. Our analysis status now shows completed. Click the Data tile and navigate to the folder that you previously noted. You may need to click Refresh to see the results. The results and logs will be in a folder named after the analysis that was run. Our clips are in a folder called Plot Clip. In here, we'll see the subfolders named after each of the plots. Inside each plot is the clip. Each clip is named after the original image.